happy. Someone's pissed off. Guys, don't piss off nature. The wrath. Holy moly. It's been over 3 weeks with no rain. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy moly. Holy shit. What? Hurricane. We're having a hurricane. A cyclone. Oh my God, hail. Kim says come and film the tamarind tree. Power went out. Look at the tamarind tree.
Oh my God, it's like a hurricane.
Check out the tamarind tree, guys. You think my bananas are still standing?
Where's the ice cream bean tree?
Kim's trying to scare me. Crossing my fingers that the ice cream bean tree is still standing. I don't think so.
No.
It's probably gone over my neighbour's fence. He's going to be annoyed. Yeah, we're getting hail. Check out the native Australian tamarind. You think it's going to stand? Looks okay. Wow. Yeah, we had a power outage. Hail. Wow. Holy moly. Wow. Could this be the end of Fruitopia? Could this be it? Total destruction. What do you guys think? Wow! Banana there is still standing under the worts. Woo! Wow, that was like a wrath from not one god but 1,000 gods. Holy shit! What was that all about, guys? Oh no, the ice cream bean's gone. We lost the ice cream bean tree, guys. Wow, it's not there anymore. I wonder where it fell. Oops. Oops. It fell. Wow. Right onto the gyro persimmon. Well, Something was bound to happen after all these years, guys. And this was it. So, it might be the end of Fruitopia. Shit. I haven't even checked the house to see if the house is standing. Oh, wow. So one casualty. It's a big one, the biggest one I have. Well, how about the tamarind? Oh, the tamarind's still there. That's a surprise. I really expected that to go first. Why the ice cream bean? Why? Why the Inga? Why? Why? I bet it took about half a dozen trees with it. Let's see if the bananas fell over my neighbor's fence. And now that I expect. Let's see. Oh, get out of here. They're still standing. The bananas haven't fallen over. You're kidding me. What? The bungee cord. The bungee cord is hanging in there. So we just lost the Inga. And whew, did we lose it? Look at that in there. Well, I'm definitely not going to be getting the chainsaw out today. It's raining. Ah, sad. At least it didn't get the Fuerte avocado or the cherry moya. Those two guys over there. It fell this way, which is persimmon and banana. The banana's gone, it's disappeared. The one with the rack. Should have harvested that rack, it was ready. The rack was ready. Oh well. All the new plants here are fine. Lychee, African Pride, lucuma, custard, what do you call it now? Sugar apple and yellow mangosteen are fine. So it fell that way. So we took the gyro persimmon and a bit of the lemon tree. Oops. Bit of the lemon tree. Didn't get any of the young tropicals in there, but it got the gyro. The gyro, well, it's still standing. The trunk of the gyro is still there. But in there I had, what did I have in there? A young white Chateau mulberry, Jerusalem artichoke, and that 30-year-old mandarin tree, which is on the other side. That seems to be fine. But yeah, the banana's gone. It was standing right here. Wow. Look at this now. It's all open. What the heck? What the heck, dude? Dude. Whew. Oh, Kim says, oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, it also took the
The ice cream bean.
the ice cream bean. It's in heaven.
Oh my god.
It's in heaven, Kim. Took a few pepinos as well. So guys, lesson learned. Don't let your ice cream bean get too big. But that was a nasty gust. We had 65km/h gusts for the last, let's see, for the last 6 hours. 6 hours of heavy gusts. Remember, we don't get wind here for 5 minutes. Like 10 minutes, whoever survives, survives, and then it's finished. No, it's 6 hours of continuous wind, heavy wind, and you got to be really tough to survive that, right? All right, I got to go out to the front yard and see what's up with the front yard. Sorry, Kim.
Oh.
Yeah. I can't believe the banana is still standing at the back fence with a bungee cord. What the hell? You got to be kidding. That's like a shock. Oh. How old was it? Let's see. 12. Oh, we've got no power, so I can't open the garage door. Great. So now we have to wait for power to get out to the front. Okay. Okay, I manually opened the garage door by hand as an emergency exit. What do I see? Oh, just the chairs have turned upside down. Big deal. Shade cloth is still there for the vanilla mango. Didn't blow away. I did something right. What else? Okay, everything looks fine. Oops, I see a banana. Oh, the main banana collapsed. The Tonga banana. That's the hybrid. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'm expecting banana. One of the banana pots fell over. No surprise. No surprise. Right? Not a surprise. What else? Wow, the bungee cords have done really good. None of the bunches have collapsed. That one nearly collapsed over there. The dwarf, what do you call it? The dwarf Ducasse is leaning. That doesn't have a bungee cord. Okay, so the Tonga hopper. That's the. Oh, it slammed into the bacon avocado. Damn. Shit. It slammed into my bacon avocado. All right, I have to get into that and check it out after that film. So two things here. What about this bunch here? Hanging on with a bungee cord. A lot of leaves snapped. A lot of leaves snapped. Yeah, it's holding. Amazing. Didn't expect that to hold. Wow, this is like being in Cyclone Tracy in Darwin, 1974. Holy, I've never experienced this in my 60 years. First time. 60 years, guys. I've never seen anything like this. If the ice cream bean had not fallen, then I would say I got away with it a lot. You know, this here is bad, but it's not as bad as losing the whole ice cream bean. 13 years down the drain. All right, that's it. That's all I can see. This here, the bacon. I don't know what kind of damage. Looks like it might have lost a couple of branches, but the trunk is still fine. The bacon trunk is fine. I'll just get the machete out and fix that. The shepherd is fine. All right, all the white sapotes are fine. Yeah, the big pot fell over. How the heck did that fall over? That weighs like 100 kilograms, like this one. Right? There are 100 Ks, 200 pounds. Okay. The pot fell over there, the banana pot. And the Tonga banana fell onto the bacon avocado, taking half the bacon avocado down. Anyway, guys, that's the report from Melbourne, Australia, in late summer 2024. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck on the cleanup, and we'll catch you from the next video in the aftermath. The aftermath, guys. Bye.